Hey guys, in this video I want to go over setting default boilerplate for your template. So I'm going to just start out and just select a brand new report here. So I'm going to use my Orca narrative template and I'm going to just load a new report. And my default template is going to be my Orca, I can't remember exactly what I call it, but my Orca boilerplate. So boilerplate Orca home inspection. So that's my boilerplate. And so that's what you want, right? Every time you start a new report, you serve up the correct boilerplate. Now, what I love about how we do boilerplate is, let's say I'm doing a commercial job, I can toggle this and go over to my commercial boilerplate, or I'm doing a condo interior, I can use my interior boilerplate, or a full condo, pest inspection boilerplate, reinspection boilerplate. I've even got some boilerplate for multifamily and for a consulting, just a consulting job. So really helpful, and I'll use my same template for all of that. But I want my Orca home inspection to be the default. So we're going to go over how do you set that default. So there's a couple places. The main place you do it is you go under settings and you go under report templates, and then you can choose the template. So we're going to go choose the Orca residential, or actually Orca narrative, that's the one I want. And then I've got my Orca home inspection boilerplate. I could change it, but I don't want to. That's what I want. So that's serving me up everything that I want. So the other way that you could foil yourself, though, that I want everyone to be aware of, is I'm going to go back onto my home screen, and I like using the technique where all of the templates that I'm working on, and I work on a lot of them for various reasons for other scribers and just different things I'm doing, but I like to have my Orca narrative template out in the future here, and whenever I'm making template changes, I work on this particular job. If you like that technique and you use it, you do want to be sure that your boilerplate is the correct boilerplate, or when you hit save template, you can kind of mess yourself up and overwrite where we went and saved it. So just kind of one little quirk to it. Anyway, I hope this helps. This is setting default boilerplate that shows up every time. I guess I should go over too, if you want to make new boilerplate, you just go under boilerplate language here in the settings, and you can choose a boilerplate. This is my Orca one, and if I could make edits to it, and I don't even have to save it, or I could add a new one if I want to make new ones. This is where I have like my consulting. This is just super simple. It's saying, hey, this isn't a home inspection, just a consultation. Okay, thanks so much for watching.